From Brian's Blues Kitchen, hello everybody and welcome. Today we're cooking a black Angus New York strip steak in a hot sizzling cast iron skillet. You don't have to settle for just salt and pepper. We can get creative and make our own seasoning. A little history. Why do they call it New York strip steak? Well, in 1827, Delmonico's restaurant opened in New York City. One of their signature dishes was a cut from the short loin, and due to its association with the city, it often referred to as a New York strip steak. And also known as strip steak, sirloin steak, Manhattan, and Kansas City steak. So, if you're ready to cook, then let's get to it. The strip steak is a cut of the beef steaks from the short loin from the cow. It's usually a boneless section that's cut from the top sirloin, which is very tender and tasty. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe, like, and hit the bell for upcoming videos. And remember, health is everything. So eat healthy, stay active, and I'll see you next time.